Hello everyone, welcome back to People Interview Tutorials, and today we came up with another video on how to use switch function in MS Excel. So there are multiple ways we can use switch function guys, but I'll give you one example wherein we are converting the month number into month. This is the one example we can use in switch function. So before moving to the video, I would like everyone please share, subscribe the channel, also check on the playlist. You will find all the videos related to Six Sigma certification, trainers, quality analyst, people management, MS Excel tricks, Google Data Studio, preparing dashboard with the help of Google Sheet. Many videos are there. Let's start today's concept, that is on switch function. So just I want here, with the help of this month number, I want month name. How do we can do that? With the help of switch function. So the formula is switch. Then I will select I row wherein the one is mentioned there, okay, and comma. Now what I want value, which means if I get 1, then comma, it will give me Jan. Now again, if I get 2, then comma, it will give me Feb. Okay, now comma, you can double close this Feb, comma, if I get 3, comma, I'll get March. Then if I get, suppose I have added like 4 6 9 here, right? So I'll go with 4, then I'll get April. Okay, if I add 12, this is just an example guys, you will get December. Now let's close. Now check whether this will work perfectly or not. Yes, here in the Jan I need to close the double bracket. Now it will work. Now let's check. Let's paste this formula to the all the part. You can see here it's worked. For 1 it got Jan, for 3 it got March, for 12 it got December, for 4 it got April. Now 6 I did not add it. Let's add 6 here, comma 6 and double quotes again, sorry, again comma and 6, which means April, May, June I'll add here, June, and double quotes closed. I'll get June here. Now I want 9. If you want, you can add here comma 9 comma 9, which means August, September, double quotes close, and done. I'll get September with the 9. Quite easy, right? So use this function guys. You can use it in a different dashboards, reports, wherever you want, but this switch function will definitely help you out guys in terms of creating the report. Please share, subscribe the channel. Don't miss to click on like option and share it with your colleagues who are looking for the interview, who are preparing for the interview. Thanks a lot guys. Thanks for watching.